May I request to repeat the question if okay po? Apologies po.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba ang patakaran? You can
I can answer.
have 457 million pesos cash released as a bank on a single day, and wala ba, di ba red flag na yan? Di ba dapat nire-report na yan? We want to know if the banks are complicit in this the illegal transactions using government funding. You're land bank, di ba?
Yes. The land bank is, once the transaction is more than 500,000, it will be automatically captured by the system and be reported as covered transaction report.
And
It's automated po once it is over 500,000.
That's all you do?
At first, that is what we
Yeah,
are
that's the law,
doing.
but
Yes.
that's all you do. Wala ba kayong know your customer? Nagwi-withdraw ng 457 million, okay lang?
We have-
report lang na over 500,000?
We have due diligence and KYC as well upon opening of the account po, Mr. Chair.
So how did this happen?
In particular account po, it is, according to bank secrecy, we need to request for the consent of the, if it is, of the client.
Miss Sims, Miss
to
Sally,
buy-
okay lang siyang magpaliwanag? Under the bank?
Yung ano, paalam lang po ako sa attorney ko.
Waiver of your rights to under the bank secrecy law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, anyway, so you're amenable. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, we have a copy of the of the waiver that we can let her sign first now
Okay.
so that I can answer.
Yes, so can you have that done? Well, while we're waiting for that, what we want to find out is paano nangyayari na 100 milyon, kalahating bilyong piso, parang pikit mata ang ating banking
Senator
system.
Pangilinan, for the information of the body, meron tayong kopya ng lahat ng ledgers ni SYMS, ano? Ito, yung binabanggit yung 457 million, 2 araw po ito eh. Natik po 457 million, March 24, 2025, yung isang withdrawal, total in 1 day, July 3, 2025. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ms. Santos, parehong delivered do sa office ni Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez. No? Marami po rito, ibibigyan ko kayo ng kopya.
Yes, thank
At,
you.
i-reproduce natin. Marami po, merong withdrawal na 180 million, may withdrawal na 141 million, withdrawal na 299 million, withdrawal na 65 million.
Tsaka-
Puro,
yes.
puro isang araw ito.
Tsaka puro cash.
Puro cash ito, cash. Actually.
Bakit hindi cheque? O manager's check? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. Kaya cash. Kaya 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin ng ating government bank pa ho ito. At most likely, alam ninyong government funds yung binayad doon sa kliyente ninyo.
Senator Kiko, bigyan ka namin ng additional 2 minutes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Ms. Lim.
Mr. Chair, since we already have the signed consent of Ma'am Sally Santos, can I explain the process flow? Because before it came through her account, will it be alright po? Okay. The process is, since Ma'am Sally Santos is recognized by the DPWH as their contractor and listed in their list of creditors, then the process flow is the funds. Okay, although everyone knew it, that it came from the notice of cash allocation from the Department of Budget and Management. Then it goes to Landbank, to the DPWH Central Office account. Then head office na maintained with South Harbor. Then the South Harbor DPWH will issue a notice of cash allocation intended for the DPWH Bulacan First Engineering District Office. So upon receipt of the Bulacan First District Office, they will issue an advice of checks issued and canceled. So that advice of checks issued and canceled coming from them with the regulation of the Bureau of Treasury for the 24 hours period before they can withdraw it or before they can credit it to the respective accounts of the contractors. So after the 24 hours, the following day, they will issue the list of due and demandable accounts payable, advice to debit accounts, that is the LDDAP ADA. They will send us that ADA, and then Landbank will process it through the financial system. Then upon uploading, it will automatically credited to the different accounts, a passbook account of the different contractors. So once we receive that different accounts, that it will credit the account of intended for Ma'am Sally Santos. And that amount that she withdraw is not necessarily a one-time credit. It's on different LDDAP number po. So then yun sabi nyo yung pile up, that's it po.
Yes, but you didn't explain, is that standard? You can withdraw 500 million pesos in 2 days?
Actually, as manager, we try to market the account for as long as they did not need it right away, so they can still maintain it with Landbank. Then that amount that it maintained for for days before the account of Ma'am Sally called us and requested for a withdrawal.
Yes.
Then
pero-
upon receipt, upon knowing of her withdrawal, right away we informed her that we need to source fund for that we cannot automatically
Kaya
have
nga
that
2
fund.
days.
Not only 2 days, it took for that particular
No,
account.
this transaction was 2
Two.
days. Based on the, dalawang araw to put together
Ay,
yung 457 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
So hindi kayo nagtaka? Bakit cash? Bakit 457 million? At bakit 2 araw?
Your Honor, hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH and knowing it's for the project. So, hindi po ako talaga nagtaka po.
Hindi ba common sense lang na 200 million cash for the project? Paano? Meron bang nagbabayad ng cash? Ano yun? Di ba dapat cheque?
Actually po, yung list of creditors is a passbook account. And yun po yung nire-report po nila. Then they have their
The principle behind yung 500,000 suspicious transactions is because, suspicious transactions. Kumbaga, so hindi suspicious transaction yung kalahating bilyon, 2 araw nilabas? Cash?
Your Honor, to be honest, kasi hindi ko po, I am not an engineer or you support every project, hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung project na yun or whatever. Since, it's a deposit account, yung depositor na po talaga yung nakakaalam.
It's hard. Well, anyway, as bank manager, it's hard to believe na hindi katakataka na sa loob ng 2 araw, yung pondo ng gobyerno pwedeng ilabas ng kalahating bilyong piso na basta-basta. Cash.
Senator Kiko, tanungin ko lang kay Ms. Sally, sino nag-i-inform sa inyo na nakapasok na yung pera? Yung bangko o sina Bryce?
Si Engineer Bryce po.
Sasabihan ka na nandyan na,
Yes.
na-credit na sa account mo
Yes
yung
po.
457 million.
Yes po. Yes po.
So, sino nagbibigay sa instruction na withdraw mo?
Si Engineer Bryce po.
Siya rin.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Siya rin na magbibigay instruction na dalin mo. sa
Yes,
kanya.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ma'am, did you file a suspicious transaction report before the AMLAC?
Yes po, for that particular account.
Can we request for a copy? Anyway, there is already a waiver.
Mr. Chair, may I be recognized?
Yes.
Kindly introduce yourself. Muna.
Rafael Yap po of Landbank Philippines. Yeah.
We must have. May we request that he be sworn?
Do you swear or affirm to